Okay, so a bit of an unusual situation here. I am making the watch list video on, well, at 3 o'clock. There's still an hour to go. So, as you may or may not know or figure out, right, that some of these that I'm showing you that I want to watch tomorrow may close completely differently than they look now. And my apologies for this, but if I don't make it now, I'm going to be occupied until late tonight, and then I'm going to be too dead ass tired to make it, right? So I got to get it out now. So appreciate you understanding that. A couple comments about today. Well, here's the SPY first, but again, I hate to comment too much because still got an hour to go, right? But some calls from today, ALT, which had a nasty reversal, but not for day traders. Terrence in chat posted or pointed out that it topped right at the half number 750 on the opening 5-minute candle, sold back off. I called it long over the mic back through 750 and went pretty much up a buck without ever looking back over his shoulder. So Terrence and I kind of teamed up on that one. NXL, I called right over this little tight flag here with the earlier high above and yesterday's high above that. I called this over the mic at 225. And right there where my cursor is, that's 225. It ended up going up to 294 on a pretty tight stop that didn't stop out. And then another one, Miguel gave AFRM 5's buy zone pullback, which is right between the 8 and the 20. You know we love that area. Basically 31.65. The stop was about 20 cents below. That didn't stop out. Stop goes below the red line there. From 31.65. So far, it's hit 33.78. So a couple bucks there on like 20 cents risk. What is that? 10R? I don't know. It's pretty good. Great job there, Miguel. And that's just a few of the highlights. I have got to get into the video. Let me throw this up for new members in chat. Pause the video and read that, please, to get a better understanding of what we're all about. And let's go to what we're watching tomorrow. DJT was on watch today. It had actually a really nice pop, so we're going to see if it gives any kind of setup again tomorrow. MLGO just went nuts, and I don't know where this thing's going to close, but again, we're under an hour left, and it's holding up really well, so it's got to be on watch for tomorrow. GOVX. I don't love this because it's had 2 green days in a row and a little bit of a topping tail, at least so far, but it's a strong stock, so I'm going to put it on watch. NNE, something we've been watching. I've been talking about how strong it is. Well, it's even stronger now. Is this capitulation for the short term? Maybe. But it's a strong stock, and I'm a day trader, so I'll have it on watch. FLYE did break yesterday's high of 550. I talked about that in the video last night, and did break all-time highs over 638 and went all the way to 742. Again, nice move there. We'll see how that looks at the close. Chewy, CHWY, nice pop here, little flag. I had this on long watch. It looks like it's continuing higher. Fufu, which I call the gayest stock symbol ever, is putting in an inside day, so I will watch that for a potential third day play. RDW, nice pop here to 704, and then today popped and topped out right around 698 so far. Certainly interesting, but does feel a little bit extended from the moving averages. I'm still going to watch it tomorrow. BOWL, kind of interesting. I'll put a horizontal line there. Over this horizontal line, maybe it comes up and challenges 1547. I'm going by memory. I didn't look it up, but I think this one might have a big short position. Again, I'm going by memory, so I could be way off. ASTS just goes back on bounce watch. Had a really nice run. 4 red days in a row. Did not trigger today, so it goes back on bounce watch for tomorrow. NVIDIA, if I was a swing trader, I would have bought this under the 20-day today. I would absolutely be in some of this. You know, everyone's been waiting to get in NVIDIA. You've got now 3 big red days. Well, I don't know, 3 red days in a row. It's probably 15% off its highs. I don't know. I'm not that good at math. And it's at the 20-day. Kind of tempted to take some and just hold it, but I'm not going to. Anyway, certainly goes on bounce watch for tomorrow. And then AMSC did get down to that area between the 8 and the 20 that we like for the pullback area, right? So that one goes. And you kind of see this resistance here. It kind of came down and retested the resistance, and it did so far at least become support. So AMSC goes on bounce watch. We'll add gappers in the pre-market as well. Should be plenty to trade tomorrow. Nice teamwork today. I'll see you guys in chat.